To convert a percent to a decimal, move the decimal 2 places to the left. Write the percent as a decimal. 75% is equal to 75 over 100, which is 75 hundredths, with the 75 in the hundreds place. The shortcut rule is to move the decimal 2 places to the left. So the decimal is after the whole number. If we move it 2 places to the left, we get 0.75. To write a percent as a decimal, we can move the decimal 2 places to the left and add a 0. 0.2% as a decimal is 0.002. This can also be done by writing 0.2% as 0.2 over 100 because every percent is over 100. If we move the decimal 1 place here, then we have to move it 1 place here. This is equal to 2 over 1,000, which can be written as 2 in the thousands place.